Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto on blockchain wallet step by step. Open the app, tap Buy, choose your crypto, and select your payment method to begin. Keep your recovery phrase safe and never share it with anyone. If fees or limits appear, review them before confirming the purchase. I will guide you through common prompts, security checks, and how to view your new balance in the wallet. When you place an order, pick the crypto and type the amount or dollar value you want to spend. Check the exchange rate, network fee, and final total to avoid surprises. Select your linked payment method, confirm with PIN or fingerprint, and submit the buy order. Watch for the transaction status in the app and be patient during network confirmations, which may vary by currency and network congestion. After buying crypto, save the transaction ID and track confirmations until the balance updates in your wallet. For significant holdings, transfer funds to hardware or cold storage to reduce online risk. Regularly audit devices with wallet access and revoke any unknown sessions or permissions. Keep your recovery phrase offline in multiple secure locations and consider a safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.